In today's video, I will show you how you can make passive income lending out your cryptocurrency. Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. In today's video, I will break down one of the easiest ways that you can earn passive income starting right now. It is a really simple concept, and best of all, you can get returns of 40, 50, even 60% every single year. This method involves you lending out your cryptocurrency. So if you are holding cryptocurrencies or even stable coins like USDC or Tether, you'll be able to lend them out and earn passive income on your crypto. There's a ton of platforms that offer passive income, but in today's video, I will show you one of my favorite platforms, and I will show you exactly how you can make passive income with a real life example. Let's jump right into it. So one of the platforms that I use to earn passive income is KuCoin. The reason I like using KuCoin is because they have the lending feature, and this feature offers some of the best returns out there. So if you are looking to make passive income lending out your cryptocurrencies, check out the KuCoin link in the description box below. And now let's go right into the lending feature of KuCoin. So once you open the KuCoin app, it will look something like this. And as you can see, they have the crypto lending feature. So we're going to click on crypto lending. And as you can see, they offer some of the best returns out there. The annual return rate is 47%, 48%, and it gets even higher into 50%, 51%. So if you are lending USDT, expect to get these awesome returns. But the way this works is super simple. You can lend out a ton of different currencies. As you can see, they have USDT, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, and every single one offers a different rate. Personally, I have found that USDT offers the best rates out there. So for this example, we will be using USDT simply because this is going to be a part of my long-term strategy. I will take profits that I make in all the altcoins and I will convert them into stable coins such as USDC and USDT in order to generate even more passive income. Also, USDT and stablecoins, their price is pegged to the dollar, so it pretty much stays the same. With stablecoins, the value stays the same, and that is why I like making passive income with stablecoins, because I know what to expect and what kind of returns I will be getting. As you can see, there are many different loan amounts. This person is lending out $159,000. Next person, $2,400. Next person, $500,000. The other person, $100, $600, $1,000. Every single person that is lending, their goal is to make passive income and let their money grow. So after you pick the currency that you want to lend out, for this example, USDT, but you can pick any currency that they have available, we're going to press Lend USDT. So once you press Lend, it will bring you to this screen. And as you can see, we have $300 in USDT. And in this video, I'll be lending the full amount. So we're going to press the amount. We're going to type in $300. We're going to press done. So right underneath, they will have the terms. So once you press on terms, you can do a loan for 7 days, 14 days, or 28 days. And it will show your estimated profit below. So for 7 days of lending out $300, we will make $2.47 in profit. If we lend it out for 14 days, it will make us $4.95 in profit. If we lend it out for the full 28 days, we will make $9.91. And then you will be able to set your interest rate. So we're going to press on the interest rate. And as you can see, the average daily rate for the last 28 days is 0.118. But what I like to do personally is go back to the lending page, click on the first loan, and see the day rate on that loan. On this one, it is 0.126. So it is a little bit higher than the 28-day average. So now I'm back inside of my loan, and as you can see, they are suggesting 0.118. But the first loan on the platform is 0.126. So I will make it 0.12. Just a little bit lower than the lowest loan on the platform. This way my loan will get executed a lot faster and I'll make a little bit more money. And now our estimated profit for 30 days is $10.08. So once all the information is filled out, we're going to press the lend button. And now our loan is executed. And when we go inside of my account, it will show you all the loans that I have currently open. As you can see, the first loan that I placed is for only $41 and the daily rate is 0.104. I also put it for 28 days. My second loan that I placed is for $784 with the daily interest rate of 0.124. I also did that one for 28 days. And now the $300 one, also 0.12 for 28 days. So far, I have 3 loans open, all for 28 days. This is money that I do not plan on using anytime soon, so I'm very comfortable putting it for 28 days. But now let's talk about the pros and cons of this platform. First, let's talk about the pros. Pro number 1, it is super easy to do. You just saw me lend out $300 in about a minute or so on a mobile phone. So you can be on the go, you can be lending out money and making profits every single day, which in my opinion is absolutely amazing. Pro number 2 is the rate of return. As you saw from inside the app, you can lend out money at 40% annually, 50% annually, and sometimes even higher. So let's say you have $100,000 that you want to lend out. You put it on the KuCoin exchange, you convert it into stablecoin, and then you lend it out. And let's say you get a 40% annual return. So in 1 year, your $100,000 will be $140,000. Best of all, if you break that down monthly, now you are making $3,333 every single month for simply lending out your initial money. And once you finish lending, you just take out your $100,000 and you can do it again and again and again. Also with KuCoin, you do not have to come in here every single day and put out a loan or collect money or any of that stuff. They also have the auto lend feature. So you can put in the numbers that you want to get, turn on the auto lend feature, and every time somebody takes a loan, they'll be able to fund it, you'll make money, and it will be all on autopilot. So my goal is to build up my funds so I can have at least $100,000 being lent out the entire year so I can make some passive income. Stable coins are absolutely awesome, and you can use this money to buy more crypto, to invest it in other projects, or simply use that money and cash out $3,300 every single month and live off of the income. It is all up to you. So now you're probably wondering, what are the cons? In my opinion, the pros outweigh the cons by a big margin, but here are some of them. So con number 1, the time frames are not locked in. As you have seen before, you can do a loan for 7 days, 14 days, and 28 days. So let's say you put out a loan of $100 for 28 days. And you're like, sweet, in 28 days, I'll come back and I'll collect my profits. So the money that you lent out for 28 days, like I did earlier in the video when I lent out my $300, the person that takes that money as a loan, they can pay you back anytime. They do not have to hold it for the full 28 days. So they can use it for 5 days, 10 days, 20 days, and then pay back your money plus interest. But the loan does not guarantee that it will be held for the full 28 days. But you will still make a daily return on all the days that your money was lent out. So that is why I like the auto feature, simply because if you do a loan for 28 days, the person gets done in 10 days, they return the money. The auto lend feature will automatically lend the money out again. This one makes it really hands off and you just start receiving the passive income day after day. Con number 2, your funds that you are lending are locked in. So let's say you have $10,000 in USDT and you lend it out for 28 days. Now your funds are locked in for 28 days. You will not be able to withdraw them until the person that you lent them to has released them. So if you are looking to invest in like other side projects, or you want to do some trading, you will have to wait until the loan is complete before you take out your money. So that is why I have other cryptocurrencies on the side that I use for trading, and then all the profits that I make, I put them in USDT in order to invest safely for the long term and to lock in more profits. Also, I like holding stable coins in case the market comes down or I find a great opportunity to invest in. I'll be ready to pounce on that opportunity and make even more profits. But before then, I like to lend out the money so I can earn some daily passive income. Alright everybody, so that is how I make daily passive income every single day. Check out the KuCoin link in the description box below if you want to start lending and making some passive income. That concludes this video. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions whatsoever, do not hesitate to drop them in the comment section below. And as always, check out the links in the description box below and enjoy that passive income. Peace out.